Greetings. Today I'm going to discuss, can peptides or peptide hormones be found or hidden in supplements? Peptides and peptide hormones have gained major attention in the world of fitness, anti-aging, and wellness for their potential to boost muscle growth, fat loss, and recovery. With that popularity, many supplement companies have started marketing products claiming to contain our peptides or now peptide-based ingredients. But how much of this is true, and are real peptides or peptide hormones actually found in over-the-counter supplements? Let's explore the facts behind these claims and understand what's really inside those bottles. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC.Health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to help each other. That's why he uses this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. Peptides are short chains of amino acids, smaller than proteins, that act as messengers in the body. They regulate key functions such as hormone production, metabolism, tissue repair, immune response, and even sleep. Peptide hormones are specific peptides that function like hormones. For example, insulin controls blood sugar. Growth hormone-releasing peptides, GHRPs, like CJC1295 or ipamorelin, stimulate natural growth hormone release. Oxytocin and vasopressin, involved in mood, bonding, and hydration balance. These compounds are highly bioactive and usually require medical supervision and prescription when used therapeutically. In most countries, bioactive peptides and peptide hormones are not legally allowed in dietary supplements. Here's why. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, classifies most therapeutic peptides like BPC-157, ipamorelin, and TB-500 as research chemicals or prescription-only drugs, not as dietary ingredients. Peptides are biologically active molecules that require precise dosing, sterile preparation, and medical oversight, things not guaranteed in supplement manufacturing. When a supplement claims to contain peptides for muscle growth or anti-aging, it's often marketing language, not a verified ingredient. So if a label lists WAR peptides or NAR growth factors, it's worth questioning what's actually inside. Peptides are not stable in the digestive system. Peptides are made of amino acids linked by peptide bonds, and your stomach acid easily breaks these bonds down. This means even if a supplement did contain peptides, your body would likely digest them into simple amino acids before they could have any effect. Most bioactive peptides require injection or medical delivery. Peptides used in clinical settings, like CJC1295 or BPC-157, are typically administered via injection or other medical routes, not orally. This ensures they reach the bloodstream without being destroyed by digestion. There are, however, a number of peptides that can be taken orally due to their small size. The bioregulator peptides are examples of this. Many peptide supplements use confusing labels. Some supplement companies use terms like collagen peptides or bioactive peptides, which can be misleading. Collagen peptides, for example, are broken down protein fragments from collagen that help support skin and joint health, but they are not the same as therapeutic peptides or peptide hormones that influence growth, metabolism, or repair. In the supplement market, you may find products promoting muscle peptides, growth factors, or GH boosters. However, these often contain amino acid blends, herbs, or nutrients that support natural hormone balance rather than contain any real peptide hormones. For example, GH boosters might include arginine, ornithine, or GABA, which can mildly stimulate growth hormone release during sleep, but these are not peptides themselves. Fat-burning peptides might rely on ingredients like caffeine, green tea extract, or carnitine, which act metabolically, not hormonally. Some unscrupulous online vendors even sell unregulated peptide powders or capsules labeled as supplements, but these often come from unverified sources, may be contaminated, and could contain banned substances. It's important to know how to spot legitimate products versus misleading ones when it comes to peptide supplements. Genuine therapeutic peptides such as BPC-157 or ipamorelin are prescription only and should never appear in over-the-counter supplements. If a label lists these names, it's a red flag that the product is likely illegal or unregulated. Many supplement companies use vague claims like contains peptides or growth factors without providing clear ingredient details. These are usually just marketing tactics rather than evidence of real peptides. Legitimate peptides are typically sold as sterile vials for injection or research use, not in capsule or powder form at supplement stores. On the other hand, safe and legal products like collagen peptides or protein hydrolysates are clearly labeled and designed to support skin, joint, and connective tissue health, not hormone activity. Always read ingredient lists carefully, avoid products with suspicious claims, and consult a healthcare professional if something seems unclear. Absolutely. You can enhance your body's natural peptide and hormone activity without taking synthetic or unapproved substances. Here's how. Protein-rich diet provides amino acids that form natural peptides and hormones. Quality sleep encourages natural growth hormone and recovery peptide release. Resistance training stimulates the production of natural growth factors. Micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D support peptide signaling pathways. Peptide precursors. Some supplements provide amino acids that act as building blocks for your body's own peptides, e.g., glycine, arginine. These approaches are safe, legal, and effective for maintaining healthy peptide and hormone activity. While peptides and peptide hormones play vital roles in human health and performance, they are not typically found and should not be hidden in over-the-counter supplements. Most peptide supplements on the market either contain inactive amino acid blends, collagen fragments, or herbal compounds that support natural hormone function. True therapeutic peptides like BPC-157, CJC-1295, or ipamorelin remain prescription only and should be administered under medical supervision. As always, reach out for more information about our health enhancement programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptide therapy. Call 9418-065511